Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is the ultimate tool for quick and delicious homemade breakfasts. In just 5 minutes, it assembles a hot, customizable sandwich with your favorite ingredients. Designed with non-stick plates, it allows for easy cooking and effortless cleanup. The compact design fits neatly on any countertop, making it perfect for busy kitchens, dorms, or small spaces. Its innovative design cooks all layers, bread, eggs, cheese, and meats simultaneously, ensuring a perfectly balanced sandwich every time. A built-in timer with an audible beep eliminates guesswork for foolproof results. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving time and effort. Ideal for English muffins, bagels, or small rolls, it offers endless breakfast possibilities. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store or take on the go. Simplify your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker.